All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, a beautiful song from Lewis Capaldi. I'm sure you heard about him and his new song called Almost. So it's a nice song. We have this open, airy feeling when it comes to sound and the playing of guitar. We're gonna come into that. First, the setup, and we had a capo on first. Absolute best scenario. We're gonna work a lot with bar chords or bar-like chords. We're gonna see how they are gripped. Now let's go into the chord, and we're gonna start with this chord here. It's called the G. It's a bar chord. We choose that for this specific song. Okay, so you play index finger on the 3rd fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 5th on A, 5th D, and 4th G. Okay, that's the first version of G. Okay, we have a second version as well, where you don't have to bar everything. You just have to pinpoint this 3rd fret E string with the index finger. So you can release the tension there and just have that index on the 3rd fret E, and the rest stays there. Okay, and it gives us this airy, open feeling that I talk about. That is beautiful. So we have both version 1, and when I mention version 1, I mean the standard bar version. Okay, and version 2 is with just this open airy feeling. Okay, speaking of that, we're gonna go into this B minor chord, and again, usually that is up with a bar. We're gonna go with just the open airy version of it as well. So you have index finger on the 2nd fret A string. You have next ring finger on the 4th D, your little pinky on the 4th G, and your mid on the 3rd B. And then you also incorporate the open high E. Beautiful sound there. Then we go into this A, and again, usually it's a bar, this time not. So you have your index finger on this 5th fret E string, ring finger on 7A, pinky on 7D, and mid on 6G. Then open B and open high E. Okay, so there we have the chords, and then we also got the D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the F sharp minor. And that's a bar chord. You place index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there as a bar, and then you add 4th A and 4th D. And there you have all the chords. Now, let's go into the strumming. And we're gonna start with this G, the first version, that's with a bar. And one string around goes like this. So you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, and then down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up. That is one string around. So a couple rounds. Okay, we're ready for the song, and we're gonna play the verse play, which is this bar G. Then you go into the B minor. Then you go to A, and then you go to this G without a bar, this open airy feeling. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, so G, B minor, A, and back to the second version of G. Play 2 rounds of that. One round goes like this. Notice the A and G is the same grip, just a different position. So you don't have to release everything. You can actually slide. And you can hear that slide as well in this actual song. So yeah, doesn't hurt too much. 2 rounds of that. First verse into this first pre-chorus, 24 seconds in. Nowhere to run. That's where on the lyrics. And you're just going to continue that to start with the verse play. So G, B, B minor, A, and back to that second version, G. That's the first half, part 1 out of this pre-chorus parts. The part 2 starts in the same way with this G, 2 string rounds, B minor, 2 string rounds, and then you stay on that A 4 rounds instead. Okay, so it's first half G, 2, B minor 2, A2, and G2. Then second half is G2, B minor 2, and A4. That is the first pre-chorus. Then we hit this first chorus at 49 seconds in. I swear to God, that's where we're on the lyrics, and that's where we are in the song as well, the first chorus. We're going to play D, 4 string rounds, then F sharp minor, 4. Then we have the G version of the bar version, 4 string rounds, and then a 4 string rounds. I'm going to play that for you, so it goes like this. Okay, so there you have it, the first chorus, only this one round, and then you go into an instrumental part right after this chorus, which is you stay on the D for 4 string rounds. Then the second round of everything, you have repetition when it comes to the verse play, and then into the second pre-chorus, you just play the second part of that pre-chorus, so which means you're gonna play the G, the bar version of it, 2 string rounds, the B minor, 2 string rounds, and a 4 string rounds. That's it for the second pre-chorus. The second chorus then, it's twice as long, played exactly the same way, but 2 rounds of that D, F sharp, G, and A. And after that second chorus comes the bridge part, and what you're going to play here is another round of this chorus play. So no changes there. Just continue the chorus play for the bridge, and then we have the final outro part left. You're going to play the chorus chords, which means the D, F sharp, G, and A. You're going to play them once, 1 down per chord. So that is what you're going to play, and then you end on a beautiful D, and that wraps it up, guys. Lewis Capaldi's Almost. So thank you for being here on this channel. I'm almost happy. If you want to support me, then I'm fully happy. Leave me a like, leave a comment, perhaps subscribe to this channel. Everything is welcomed here, and be back for the next upload. Till then, guys, play tuned.